Build stronger arguments with targeted research recommendations and Shepard's analysis based on the citation patterns and legal concepts found in your document with brief analysis on Lexis+. Start by selecting the Brief Analysis button on the home screen of Lexis+. Then, either drag and drop a file or browse your directory to select a file to upload. Brief Analysis scans the file for viruses and analyzes your document for important concepts in the text and citations within the document. Data from the document is encrypted, and Lexis stores the text of the document only during your brief analysis session. After the analysis of the document is complete, access a dashboard that provides an overview of the brief analysis results and recommendations. Extracted Concepts displays which important legal concepts were extracted from your document and used to map to other relevant documents. Access relevant documents via Case Recommendations and Similar Briefs. And review Shepard's analysis with the Cited in Your Document feature. For recommendations on relevant cases you might have missed, click on the Go to Case Recommendations link on the dashboard display, or select that option from the tabbed headings at the top of the screen. This will bring you to the first point in your document where Brief Analysis has identified a passage with recommendations. The text of your document is displayed, and the tool highlights key passages with the case recommendations based on points of law or arguments identified in the brief. Relevant cases from your jurisdiction are displayed on a side panel with the relevant text passage. Quickly scan these results to determine whether you want to use the recommended case in your document or validate that the point of law from your document is consistent with the holdings of other cases in your jurisdiction. To see additional case recommendations for your documents, close this side panel and scroll to the next passage highlighted in blue. Click on the See 5 Recommendations button to get case recommendations for this passage. Note that cases with red signals may be displayed in order to provide users the full array of available authorities, so you are aware of possible contrary authority. This is especially helpful when analyzing an opponent's document. To get back to the top of your document, select the up arrow. Note that the total number of passages selected is listed here. To navigate to different parts of your brief analysis report, go back to the dashboard or select another tab within the tool. The Similar Briefs section provides relevant briefs and other court documents identified based on similar legal and factual concepts and citation patterns. The matching concepts and citations from your document are displayed with each recommended document. Filter results by selecting the Filters button to expand the filter panel. Filter by legal concepts to focus on particular legal concepts important to your research. Click on a legal concept to narrow results to just those briefs that contain that concept. The selected concept displays above the recommended briefs and is highlighted within the briefs that contain that concept. Note that you can select multiple concepts as well. The documents that contain any of the selected concepts will be displayed. You can also filter by court or timeline. To review Shepard's information for authorities cited in your brief, click on the Cited in Your Document tab at the top of the report. This will open a page with the cites from your document listed in order of the most to least negative Shepard's analysis. Quickly evaluate cases and codes with negative analysis to determine if the cases cited are still good law for the points of law stated in your document. To save or print results from this list, select from the options above the results list. To analyze another document, click on Upload Document in the breadcrumb trail at the top of the screen. Note that information from the prior session is not stored for security reasons. To protect your private information, any recommendations or analysis you want to save from a brief analysis report needs to be delivered by email, printed, downloaded, or saved to folders in the current session. Ensure winning outcomes by leveraging targeted research recommendations, discovering the most relevant cases, and crafting the best possible arguments for your clients only with brief analysis on Lexis+.